Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this expression to find out the value of x. Now we write as 4 divided by x equal to 8. Now we multiply both sides by x. So the equation become x multiply by 4 over x equal to 8 multiply by x. Now this x will cancel with this x and the equation become 4 equal to 8x. Now we find x. Now we divide both sides by 8. Both sides divided by 8. Now the equation become 4 divided by 8 equal to 8x divided by 8. Now this 8 will cancel with this 8. Now equation become, and we simplify, for 1s are 4 and for 2s are 8. So the equation become 1 over 2 equal to x, or x is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So the final answer is x equal to 0.5.